Hello everyone, let's make today another new recipe. It's going to be very awesome and delicious. Beetroot cutlet. And it's very easy. So for this, what all things we require? Let's start. So one potato. So if I want to tell the measurement, 1 cup of potato, cooked potato, and cooked beetroot, 1.5 cup. So little bit more beetroot. You had to grate that and mix together, then add some chopped coriander leaves, a little bit like 1 tablespoon. Take a crushed coriander seeds, it's like a half teaspoon, that much you have to put. And then this is black salt, 1/8 teaspoon, add that one. And salt according to your taste, add that also. And sesame seeds, like you can put some more if you want. I have taken quarter teaspoon, just add that. It's a roasted one also you can add, raw one also you can add, anything is fine. And now for spice, like chili I have taken, that also according to your spice level. And some curry leaves, or 2 3 leaf of curry leaves, and just chop it small pieces and add that. And now I'm adding here jawar flour. Okay, jawar flour, or you can go for rice flour or any millet flours. So you can add that 1.5 tablespoon. You have to mix it with a spoon or with your hand. Need like a dough kind of a thing, it will become dough. So potato we are adding here to give that bonding thing. And flour is also to combine everything properly well. If you want, here you can add some more, like on the top of that sesame seeds you can cover with that, or flex seeds also you can cover with. Or even you can cover little bit of java flour outside if you want that crunchy texture outside top of the layer. I didn't add anything, just mix with everything, mix together and make a small ball like this, and gently press it. Make a give a shape, any shape you can give. It's not like round, so you can give any shape. It's smooth enough, like you can, it will go with any shape. And just make it flat like this. And see, I've taken here tawa. I have well seasoned it before. Means when we put the tawa on heat, put some little oil and sprinkle the water, and it will become like a coated one. But I'm not adding here any oil on after putting these cutlets on the tawa. But before itself I have made this seasoning well. My tawa is well seasoned, so that we can rotate this everything, like now it won't stick because I have well seasoned it before itself. Now I no need to add any oil, just do it. See, rotate both side also you have to do. Mine is soft, so if you want to make it crunchy you can add even like say instead of suji, like what we can do is take a rice, just grind it, um, roasted the rice. Okay, just grind it and make like a rava kind of a thing. Okay, like suji kind of a thing, then you can add that also. Sometimes it will become like a little crunchy kind of thing. So it's it's optional, like if you want you can do that. For me it was good. It was little softy, not crunchy cutlet. It's a soft cutlet. You can make any chutney, so you can go to my channel itself and see the playlist, and you can see varieties of chutneys are there in playlist. You can check the chutney recipes, so you can make any dip or chutney for this. And enjoy it. Very nice, right? What do you all say? It's so delicious, came out very well. And super delicious, yummy, and very easy, and Satvic too, right? We are not adding here any so much spices, masalas, all those ingredients, right? It's very simple and elegant. You had to try this out. Okay, guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you. Namaste.